When you hear a flashlight has 10,000 lumens and 546-yard throw, you think right away the LR35R, which you're not wrong. But today I brought you the Pro version, the LR35R Pro. It got everything that you love about the LR35R and way more. And before we start, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on notification bell. This way you get our videos as soon as we upload. At first glance, the LR35R may look sleek and compact, but don't let it fool you. This beast pumps out a combined 10,000 lumens and 17 light mode, providing both ultra-bright spotlight and a massive floodlight. Need flashlight for search and rescue, caving, survey, scanning farmland, or homestead. It's so easy. And it's not just white light. We're talking red light for preserving your vision at night, red flash for emergencies, and UV light for detection work. And yes, even strobe and SOS mode for safety. It got two 6,000 mAh lithium-ion batteries that can run for 135 hours. Plus, they're replaceable and rechargeable in the flashlight by USB-C and can double as power bank so you can charge your phone or other devices. It's also durable and made for rough environment and tough situations with IP68 rated and impact resisting, and it got striped bezels for emergency situations. Now let's see what this monster can do at night. You have a spotlight and floodlight combined mode. This is your ultimate mode for maximum brightness. High mode is 10,000 lumens with 486-yard throw for when you need to dominate the night and can run for 2 hours and 38 minutes. Medium mode is 5,000 lumens and 366-yard throw. This may be the medium, but it's more powerful than most flashlights out there and can run for 3 hours and 13 minutes. Low mode is 80 lumens with 46-yard throw, great for night walks and can run for 61 hours. Floodlight mode, this one great for lighting large areas. The high mode is 8,000 lumen with 233-yard throw, great for lighting wide area without too much throw and can run for 2 hours and 43 minutes. Medium mode is 4,000 lumens and 169-yard throw, great for cave exploration and can run for 3 hours. Low mode is 50 lumens with 16-yard throw, great for indoor usage without lighting your family and can run for 103 hours. Spotlight mode, this one is great for search and rescue. High is 5,000 lumen with 546-yard throw. This one can light up more than 4 football fields and can run for 2 hours and 43 minutes. Medium mode is 2,500 lumens with 382-yard throw, more than enough to light up your path and beyond, and can run for 3 hours and 10 minutes. Low mode is 30 lumens and 43-yard throw. This is your ultimate runtime for more than 5 days continually, with 135 hours of runtime. Strobe mode is 10,000 lumens, great for self-defense, and the SOS mode is 30 lumens and 270 hours of runtime. That's more than 11 days of continuous lighting. And now for the color modes. Red high is 260 lumens and 74-yard throw. Great for preserving your vision at night and can run for 6 hours and 49 minutes. Red medium is 130 lumens and 50-yard throw and can run for 34 hours. Red low is 10 lumens and 11-yard throw and can run for 290 hours. Red flashing high is 260 lumens. This one is great for signaling. And red flashing low is 10 lumens. And finally, UV light is 3.7 watt, great for bug detection, track wildlife like hunting or research, and can run for 20 hours. And now, let's see what comes in the box. You get the LR35R Pro, a holster, USB-C charging cable, lanyard, spare O-ring, and the manual. And design-wise, this thing is built like a tank, with stainless steel strike bezels for emergencies and the ability to tail stand. It's very well designed. The bigger head helps to dissipate heat for the high outputs, and the flat body make it easier and more comfortable to hold and grip. It's operated by electric switch to adjust the beam shape from spotlight to floodlight or both at the same time, or to get to the red mode or the UV mode, and the dial switch to change the output level in all the modes. It's tough and built for the outdoors with its IP68 rated water and dust proof and impact resistant for up to 1 meter. This flashlight was made to conquer the outdoors. It's easy to carry thanks to its metal clip or the included holster. This flashlight is really compact with 5.5 inches long and weighs a little over 16 ounces. What powers this beast is two 6,000 mAh lithium-ion batteries. That's more than double what most flashlights have. Plus, they're replaceable and rechargeable in the flashlight, thanks to its USB Type-C charge port that's been covered by a plastic and rubber door to maintain its IP68 rating. And what this flashlight can do and most flashlights can't, that is double as power bank. So you can use it to charge your phone or other devices if you ever need it. And of course it has a battery indicator to let you know how much juice left or when it's time to recharge. And now for the operation guide. To turn the flashlight on, from the lock position rotate the dial switch to the right and you will hear a click. It will start on the lowest output level, and by continuing to rotate the dial, you will increase the brightness until you reach the max output level. If the flashlight is unlocked but off, press the electric switch for half a second to turn it on. To change the beam style, press the electric switch to change it from spotlight, floodlight, or both spotlight and floodlight. To turn it off, press the electric switch for half a second, or rotate the dial switch all the way to the left to turn it off and lock it. To activate special mode, press and hold the electric switch for 1 second. It will activate on strobe, and if you press the electric switch one more time, you will switch to SOS mode. And to exit special mode, press the electric switch for half a second. You can access special modes from spotlight, floodlight, or both, as long as the flashlight is unlocked. With the flashlight locked, double-click the electric switch to enter the red light mode. Single-click the electric switch to cycle through red light mode, red flash mode, UV light mode, and back to red light mode. And by rotating the dial, you can increase the brightness level. Press and hold the electric switch for half a second to exit the red light mode and turn off the flashlight. So it got upgraded in the LR35R Pro since both of them have 10,000 lumens max output. Now you got electric switch and a dial switch instead of single switch. And the reason why that's important because with the dial switch, now you have stepless brightness, so you can get the exact level of brightness that you need instead of the 5 output levels that you have on the LR35R. And now you have instant strobe and SOS. And the light source also got upgraded, because now with the white light you have a spotlight, floodlight, or both at the same time, plus a UV light and a red light. Well, before, with the LR35R, you only had white floodlight. And they also added intelligent brightness downshift function that you didn't have before. So when the flashlight gets closer to a subject, it dims itself so it doesn't put a hole in it. And the batteries got upgraded too, because on the LR35R you had two 4000 mAh lithium-ion batteries. Now you have two 6000 mAh lithium-ion batteries. That helped the runtime to jump from 80 hours to 135 hours. And finally, the LR35R Pro got a bezel upgrade with a steel braking tip for emergency situations. Alright, let's recap. You know what's the hardest part about doing this video? It's saying 10,000 lumens. Every time I try to say it, I say 10,000 milliamp. Because to have a 10,000 lumens in a flashlight, that's mind-blowing. That's not a flashlight. That's a tiny sun in the palm of your hand. But to add to that it has a red light mode to preserve your vision at night, and a UV light mode for scorpion hunting, tracking wildlife, and of course with that much power, you're gonna need some serious batteries. And this one got two 6000 mAh lithium-ion batteries that doubles as a power bank using the same USB-C charge port for in and out. Great in case of an emergency or if you just want to charge your phone on the go and you don't want to bring your power bank. It's also built tough to survive all adventure and weather conditions. This is not just a flashlight. This is a great investment. Let me know in the comments below what would you do with the 10,000 lumens. And until next time, keep exploring and stay lit.